Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin has hardly moved while Ethereum is actually breaking out today. And Bitcoin is still in this pattern, in this sort of bull flag. Yeah, I did explain that in yesterday's video. The thing is that there is currently no evidence, well, not really any evidence that this correction is over in this fourth wave, but it looks structurally complete. Yeah, I mean, not as an ABC correction, but it's really the academic detail only. I mean, it would be let me see, with 3, it would be a WXY pattern. Would be happy to probably even here. Let me see. Yeah, probably like that, WXY, or here. It doesn't make a difference really, but it looks sort of structurally complete. It doesn't need another low. Okay, so I would be happy if it now rallies from here, but it can of course use it all the way down to 29,137. So that's the scope, that's the space it has in the current scenario, that it can go down to 29,130 without invalidating the current setup. But ideally, obviously, it stays within that bull flag. It did the minimum it needs to do. It came down, hit the support area, already reacted to it twice. And all it needs to do now is to break above the channel. Obviously, we don't see that at this stage, and it could go a little bit of up and down in this channel. But when the breakout occurs, that might be the signal that we're rallying in the fifth wave. In terms of targets for this fifth wave, we talked about that yesterday. We talked about the area between 31,500 to 31,800. We got to that by, let me hide the volume bars again. Okay, so we did get to that by taking the length of wave 1 through 3. We go to the low of the fourth wave, and then we get this target range, and might have shifted a little bit to the downside, but we've got here 31,680 now as a key target. That's the 61.8 Fibonacci extension. So if this goes down a little bit more, this fourth wave, the targets will come down a little bit as well. Actually, the very first target would be here, 30,919, certainly a level to watch, but the ideal one would be a bit higher, would be the 61.8 extension. Yeah, normally the cryptos don't really listen to the 38.2 extension. It's more the 61.8, if not even higher. Okay, they can always extend, especially in bullish environments. Another way of measuring target here was to, or is to, take here the length of the just wave 1, go to the low of the wave 4, and we look for the 1-to-1 ratio. That's actually now here at 31,300. So these two levels, but they are very much in motion, yeah, because things can go up and down, and if the price goes down a little bit lower in the orange box, these targets will come down a bit. But eventually, anyway, you know, if this is the correct count, it should push higher, yeah, much higher. And yeah, for now, I mean, the move down looks corrective, which is promising. The move up was impulsive. The move down is corrective, which suggests trend continuation to the upside. But until now, you know, we are just moving in a range. So just waiting for the breakout. Again, don't be worried if it comes down a little bit lower in the orange box. It's really only below 29,137 that we might have to change our view to something more short-term bearish, but it would hardly be overall bearish. It would just probably mean a deeper pullback. And when we can see that coming, I'll update you several times a day anyway, then we can adjust. But for now, the focus would be here still on higher. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.